So guys, this is Cameron Backus again, and we are here in the Joshua Mountain. We have walked the river all the way from the dry river all the way up here, and if you notice behind of me, that is what we call the Hell's Gate, and that is Hell's Gate number 1 waterfall. There's another bigger one at the top, so we're gonna try go to it after we finish here. So if we get time from here, we're gonna show you the next waterfall. But this is somewhere that you guys should also travel to because it's an amazing place to go. Look at that beautiful waterfall. Until then, see you. Bye bye. So guys, remember I promised you guys that there's another waterfall here at the Hell's Gate. If you look behind of me, that's the other one, and that's a bigger one. It's only about 2 minutes walk from the one at the bottom. So if you ever come to the Hell's Gate original waterfall, you just need to walk 2 minutes up, and I guarantee you don't walk up on the rocks. Walk up back in the same track and come across, and then take a right and come down, and then you will meet this beautiful waterfall. Thank you.